Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into some fresh dashcam footage today, highlighting key road safety lessons from Australia. Let's get straight into it. A textbook example of why you should never speed through a construction zone. Driving recklessly and hitting safety barriers not only damages your own vehicle, but also puts road workers and other drivers at serious risk. Always slow down, obey the signs, and stay alert when lanes are restricted.
Crazy or just something that's...
I mean, that is pushing it for
Yeah. Still going. Jesus Christ, brother.
Well, he brake checked the truck.
Really?
Yeah. That's why he went like that.
Oh, dude. Holy shit.
This situation highlights a dangerous behavior that puts both pedestrians and drivers at risk. Crossing a busy intersection at night against a red light while wearing dark clothing makes a pedestrian almost invisible. Even if you have the right of way as a driver, it is crucial to remain vigilant, scan crossings, and slow down at intersections to prevent a tragedy. A perfect example of why you should never rush the moment the light turns green. Always take a brief second to scan the intersection and ensure all cross traffic has actually stopped or cleared. Defensive driving saves lives, even when you legally have the right of way. A container truck suddenly changing lanes and cutting in front of another vehicle without signaling is extremely dangerous. In this situation, it's best to proactively slow down and yield the right of way to protect yourself.
Don't drive away!
The sudden, unsignaled turn by the car in front nearly caused an accident. Always signal early and check your mirrors before changing lanes so that drivers behind you have time to react.
Is it usually a food truck there?
Huh?
Is it usually a food truck there?
I didn't see the food truck. Oh!
With limited visibility due to the rain, the car sped recklessly through the intersection, ignoring red lights and using high beams that blinded other drivers when driving in bad weather. Obeying traffic signals and reducing speed are crucial to avoiding accidents.
I'm sorry, Jacob. It was unacceptable. I shouldn't have taken things to that extreme and assumed the worst. He waved off the apology. Water under the bridge. The saints teach forgiveness, and I understand. You were looking out for your little girl. Still, not my finest hour, I said with a grimace. But I appreciate
What
you
the
staying.
fuck?
And thanks for being so understanding about Kaya. About all of it. Jacob extended his hand. After a moment's hesitation, I shook it firmly. It might be an uneasy truce, but it was a truce nonetheless. I'd take it without reservations. I'm good.
Australian road culture is built on mutual respect and strict law enforcement. Drivers always keep left, give way at roundabouts, and prioritize pedestrians, with heavy fines for speeding or phone use. High compliance is what keeps Aussie roads safe and orderly. Civilized parking etiquette, when accidentally reversing too close to another vehicle, causing a minor collision or affecting other vehicles, the most appropriate action is to proactively get out of the car. Check the situation, apologize or cooperate in resolving the issue. Kindness and responsibility are at the core of a civilized traffic community.
A few moments later.
3, 2, 1.
A horrific accident occurred on Highway 210 when a container truck suddenly lost control, swerved across lanes, and crashed through the median. This serious incident serves as a reminder of the crucial importance of maintaining a safe distance when driving near heavy vehicles to allow for timely reactions to unexpected situations.